Eric Tate alongside my buddy Nick Licapo, and we are here to talk to you about Anthony Owen's Miracle Monte. This is a fantastic packet trick that you can do both in the hands and at a table anywhere you want. It takes the classic Monte plot and adds a really, really nice twist with a couple of gaffes and something special that comes along that you can prepare your cards just once or make additional gaffes if you need to over time. This is a really, really fun trick to do. This is
super powerful.
Yeah.
All right. Like if you've never performed a walk around Monte style routine, these are great.
Yeah.
These are great. I mean, you've already seen Anthony handle this. You can see the reaction it gets. It really draws people in, like they're trying to catch you out, right? And what he's done here is he's using blank cards, right?
Yes, the blank cards make it really interesting because this is not something that your audiences have probably not have seen immediately, right? Like if you use two black sevens and a red queen, or aces and queens or whatever, they may be familiar with that, but the moment you bring out blank cards, they're immediately hooked. They don't know what these are.
Yeah, there's definitely something interesting about the contrast that you're getting between like a printed face and a blank card. It makes it almost impossible for you to be hiding all this ink among all this white. I'm sure you noticed that as well, like, oh, it's really cool that it's all blank cards. So of course that's what you're gonna get in the kit as well. You're gonna get the pack of double blanks, and then of course, as you also saw in the performance, we have these blank back ace of spades, or it's gonna be
different cards for everybody, but needless to say, the fact that the cards are printed on the face and not printed on the back makes them really interesting and stand out to your audience. The routine itself is very, very clever. Anthony has done all of the work to make sure that not only is this a really hard-hitting routine, but also it's easily accessible for magicians of just about any skill level. You're gonna learn some interesting moves as well as understand the construction of the routine. Anthony's teaching of it is very thorough. You're fundamentally learning a great routine with all of the really high points of some of the Monte routines that have cards that can't be examined or have unusual printings or other qualities, but you're able to really show full faces, and there's never a feeling like you're hiding something from your audience.
He's just compiled it all, because he's got all the best moves in here, all the best Monte moves that you want to learn, comboed with the blank idea, which I can't wait to try this because I've got an old, go back to Gregory Wilson. I've been doing his version for who knows how long. But this is also what's interesting if you are an Anthony Owen fan who has amazing stuff, great Penguin live act. This gaff that he's going to teach you how to make on here, in his book, Anthony Owen's Secrets, there's a whole section of tricks that use this same gaff. So you can start here, you can get this product, and then if you really get into it, maybe also check out his book where you can find even more stuff. But it really is, it's got to be it might be the best Monte routine that you could do.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I fully agree with that, because there's never a moment where you feel like you're hiding something, where your audience is like, hey, maybe look at that, or there's no unusual grips or anything like that.
If you've never done the trick where you pretend to put a blank card on the table and then it disappears from here, it ends up over there, a la Michael Skinner's Monte. Man, it's such a good trick, and this will teach you that and so many other phases as well. It's great.
Yep, everything that you need comes in this package for literally hundreds, if not thousands of performances. You're going to learn how to assemble the gaffes with the special stuff that treats the cards to allow them to do the things that they do. And this material is it's reusable over and over and over again. You're going to be using it for a long time. Anthony Owen's Miracle Monte. You should check it out.